Top 5 Gaming Keyboards Under $100. Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Gear, where we help you find the best gaming gear without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the top 5 gaming keyboards under $100. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive pro, these keyboards will give you the edge you need without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. We'll be looking at keyboards that offer great performance, durability, and features, all for under $100. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which keyboard is right for you. Let's jump into the list. 1. RGB K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. First up, we have the RGB K552, a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that punches way above its weight. Priced at around $32, this keyboard features Outemu blue switches, which are perfect for gamers who love that satisfying clicky feedback. It also comes with RGB backlighting and a durable, compact design. The K552 is built like a tank, making it a great option for gamers who want a reliable keyboard without spending a fortune. Whether you're playing FPS or MOBA games, the RGB K552 delivers excellent performance at an unbeatable price. If you're on a tight budget, this is the keyboard for you. 2. HyperX Alloy Core RGB Membrane Keyboard. Next on our list is the HyperX Alloy Core RGB, priced at around $29. It features RGB lighting with dynamic effects, and the keys are quiet and responsive, perfect for late-night gaming sessions. The Alloy Core also has a spill-resistant design, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills ruining your setup. If you prefer a quieter keyboard with great aesthetics, the HyperX Alloy Core is a solid choice. 3. Corsair K55 RGB Gaming Keyboard. At number 3, we have the Corsair K55 RGB, another excellent membrane keyboard priced at around $79. Corsair is known for its high-quality gaming peripherals, and the K55 is no exception. It features RGB lighting, dedicated macro keys, and a comfortable wrist rest, all at an affordable price. The keys are quiet and responsive, making it a great option for both gaming and typing. The K55 is also spill-resistant, so you can game worry-free. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed keyboard from a trusted brand, the Corsair K55 is a fantastic pick. 4. Logitech G2 13 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard. Coming in at number 4 is the Logitech G2 13 Prodigy, priced at around $38. This keyboard is perfect for gamers who want a premium feel without the premium price tag. It features RGB lighting with customizable zones, and the keys are designed to mimic the feel of mechanical switches. The G213 also has a spill-resistant design and a built-in wrist rest for added comfort. Whether you're gaming or working, the Logitech G213 delivers a great typing and gaming experience. If you want a keyboard that feels premium without breaking the bank, the G213 is a top contender. 5. Razer Synosa Chroma Gaming Keyboard. Finally, we have the Razer Synosa Chroma, priced at around $60. Razer is a legendary name in gaming, and the Synosa Chroma brings their signature quality to the budget market. It features Razer Chroma RGB lighting with fully customizable effects, and the keys are soft and quiet, perfect for gamers who prefer a membrane keyboard. The Synosa Chroma also has spill-resistant design and anti-ghosting technology, so you can game with confidence. If you're a fan of Razer's ecosystem, this keyboard is a must-have. Which keyboard is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And there you have it, the top 5 gaming keyboards under $100. Whether you're looking for a mechanical keyboard like the RGB K552 or a feature-packed membrane keyboard like the Razer Synosa Chroma, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which keyboard you'd pick, the RGB K552, HyperX Alloy Core, Corsair K55, Logitech G213, or Razer Synosa Chroma. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on!